Good morning. Welcome to Windham Solid Waste Management District. This is our transfer station in Brattleboro. We operate a full-service transfer station. We also have, as you can see here, two food waste scrap dumpsters for residents. Everyone has to have an access sticker to use our facility. It's $40 a year. And we figure if a family brings one bag of trash a week for $3, they can recycle and take care of trash for as little as $200 a year. So we have over 2,000 residents that have stickers. This is our new backyard compost demonstration area. We're having an open house here May 15th. It's designed for school groups, garden clubs, and we have a range of technologies for backyard composting. So as the loads are brought in, they're mixed, usually within an hour or so of being delivered. This is one of our commercial loads. We accept wax corrugated. You can see that's used by a lot of food service establishments. And we also accept soiled paper. You can see biodegradable packaging. And basically it's a fairly clean load. You can see those are leaves. We have leaves delivered from the town of Brattleboro. We also go get leaves from the city of Keene because we don't have enough. So here's leaves. Also we get wood chips and sawdust from various manufacturers. And then we also use our screen overs and use them in the mix because there's still a fair amount of organics, as you can see. Here's our site. And most importantly is our finished compost. We also have a soil and compost blend in that bunker. We have 4 distributors, garden centers, landscape contractors that sell most of our product. You'll see that we don't grind or shred any of the material. The cardboard boxes will break down once they're in the pile and turned. The moisture gets into it and starts to deteriorate. And it's a good source of readily available carbon. One of the things we've learned is that by including cardboard and soiled paper, we actually utilize significantly less wood chips or leaves. You can see this is the compost overs coming into the mix. And another advantage is we have a cost to go get leaves and wood chips. Even if they're given to us to haul them with our driver, there's a cost, maybe $4 a yard, $5 a yard. And having the cardboard and paper mixed in with the food waste, we're getting paid for it. Our tipping fee is about $51 a ton. So that's a positive economic impact for us.
All right, hi, I'm Peyton. I'm from Elm City Compost. I just unloaded about 1,000 pounds of compost here. hand out 5-gallon buckets to houses all over town, collect them once a week, and bring them here to Windham, dump them where they can be composted. Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
So here we are doing our final screening, taking it out of these large windrows. So I'd like to just tell you about our commercial industrial composting facility. Basically, we are now the second largest food scrap composting site in Vermont. We have a small food composting permit from Vermont DEC, which allows us to take up to 2,000 cubic yards of food scraps per year and a total of 5,000 cubic yards of materials. Anyway, the permit capacity is now an issue for us. We have exceeded actually the 5,000 cubic yards in total, and we're looking at having to turn away food scrap generators now. We did evaluate going to a medium-sized facility, but under the Vermont CDC regulations, you have to have a leachate collection system in place. The engineering estimates for that are over $300,000 with annual operating costs to pump out leachate and take it to a wastewater plant. Very expensive. We don't know how much. It depends on rain events, but could be $50,000 a year. We also looked at an enclosure to cover the active composting pad and thereby prevent formation of leachate. That too came in at a price tag of $300,000 or $400,000. A fabric building large enough to hold 3 weeks of processing materials to meet the standards. So this is an issue we're dealing with. We are probably